How to transfer from Green Dot to Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Cash App account, then go to your profile by clicking on the top right hand side corner, then scroll down and you will be able to find the option of linked banks. Just select it. Now click on link debit card. After that, click on this option of no card. Now wait for it to load. Click on continue. Now over here, you will be able to find the option of Green Dot. In case if you are not able to find it, just simply search for Green Dot. And here you go. You will be able to find the option of Green Dot prepaid debit card. Just select it. Now provide the username and password and sign in using your Green Dot credentials over here. This way you would be able to connect the Cash App with Green Dot. And this way you would be able to transfer from Green Dot to Cash App or vice versa. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.